Hello and welcome to another X-Ray Tech video. I'm Tom Nasser, the Automation Alchemist, and today we're going to show you 3 of the best automations for marketers. These automations will help you do more work in less time, so you can focus on refining your strategy and doing less repetitive work. So let's get started. First up is an automation that's been a huge help for us here at X-Ray, responding to inbound leads with an automated message. This is a simple and flexible automation that can work in a couple different ways. So if you're dealing with a very high volume of similar requests, you could go for a fully automated option. Whenever someone fills out a form on your site or sends an email to your contact address, the automation would send a templated response with basic information about your company and the next steps that they should take. A fully automated solution would let you respond to dozens or hundreds of inquiries without any manual work at all, but you may be looking for an option with a bit more customization. This is called a survey-driven template. Using a survey to send templated messages to your leads will let you personalize each message while still cutting down on repetitive manual work. The survey will let you pick from a selection of pre-written blocks with helpful information, relevant links, and answers to common questions. By using a survey, you can make sure that each inbound lead gets an appropriate personalized response. If someone wants to know about pricing, you can send them a link to your pricing page. If someone wants to know about your work, you can send them a case study. Using a simple survey requires little manual work, but still lets you respond to each new inquiry with just a few clicks. Whichever approach you use, automating your responses to inbound leads will help you do 2 things really well. First, it will save you a lot of time. Instead of drafting a new response for each lead that comes in, you can just let the robots do all the work or just check a few boxes to generate a customized message. Second, it will make your messaging consistent. By using automated templates, you'll make sure that everyone on your team is using the right language to describe your company and your products. And if you're not converting as many leads as you'd like, it's quick and easy to change your templates and try out new messaging. So stop spending all day writing identical emails to answer identical questions. Let the robots shoulder the burden and start automating your inbound lead funnel today. Next, let's take a look at an automation that will help you make visually engaging presentations with your marketing data. While you're used to combing through Google Analytics to find trends and insights, you'll probably need something a bit more simple to show management in other departments. With this workflow, you'll be able to create graphics in Google Slides that are automatically updated with new data from Google Analytics. Here's how it works. However often you'd like, the automation will fetch data from Google Analytics and export it to Google Sheets. Then, you create a Google Slides presentation with a chart that's linked to that sheet. Whenever the automation updates the data in Google Sheets, the graphic in your presentation will be updated to match. You'll be able to show your team up-to-the-minute data in a graphic that's easy to follow, and after the initial setup, you won't need to lift a finger to make it happen. By automating graphics in your presentations, you can make it faster and easier to share important data with your team. Finally, let's take a look at an automation that can help you create your marketing campaigns. Automated landing page creation. Crafting targeted landing pages with precise messaging is a great way to speak directly to a specific audience, but creating those landing pages can be time-consuming and often requires web design skills that not everyone on your team will have. With this automation, you'll be able to create and publish new landing pages by just filling out a quick survey. So here's how it works. First, you need to create a landing page template in a website builder like Webflow. It will work best if you create a landing page collection, so you can use Webflow's CMS like you would with blog posts. Then, you can build an automation to create new pages based off of that template. You can just fill out a survey with text and images that you want to use in your landing page, and the automation will create the page and send you the link when it's done. This kind of automation won't necessarily save you a lot of time, but it's a great way to get rid of technical barriers to updating your website. Anyone on your team can just fill out a survey and make a new landing page for a targeted campaign. They don't need to know anything about web design or even Webflow. All they have to do is write the copy. Running marketing campaigns requires a lot of repetitive work, and as you create new ads and content, analyze your results, and keep the conversation going with inbound leads, automations like these can't replace your creativity and strategic insights as a marketing professional, but they can help you spend less time on tedious robotic work. So start building some automations today and save yourself the time, and feel free to reach out to X-Ray Tech if you'd like to start setting up an automated infrastructure for your company. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. If you'd like to learn more about no-code and low-code automation, follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, and you can see all of our content on our website at xray.tech. You can check out all those links in the description down below, and as always, don't forget, keep the flow.